What's going on, everybody? Alex Escobar here with another unboxing from a company that reached out to me and said, hey, can you make a video for us? We send you this bike. Can you make us a video on our bike? Take it out, try it, let the world know if it's worth it. This is a budget bike, e-bike. I think they cost like $600, but with my 10% discount down below, you can cop yourself on these bikes. So I did all the main stuff, which is like cut the wires, take off the staples, just to get a look at the bike. And this is what the bike looks like once you start unraveling it. As a matter of fact, let's remove everything out the box and we'll get right back to it. Before I continue, the name of the bike is the ASKMY E500. Yeah, my bad. I just said the E500. Yeah, no, it's the ASKMY E500. From the pictures I've seen online, it's pretty cool. Look at it. Look at the headlight on this thing. The headlight is like huge on this thing. There's one thing I noticed before they sent it to me was the size of this guy. Look at this thing. This is just a headlight. So the design of this bike is supposed to replicate the Super 73. I'll be the judge of that. But the way it looked online, it looked like the Super 73 on steroids. So as I'm unboxing it, the first box that comes out is the charger. This is a 48 volt 3 amp charger for the lithium battery. We greeted with, I'm guessing, an extra disc brake, tools, pedals. Little by little, we getting there. Little by little. There go my other baby right there. Don't mind the AC. We just bought the AC. I gotta put it up. Just removed the display. They got you building this whole thing. I ain't tripping, but this is gonna be a little challenge right now. So yeah, this is the display right here. Way bigger than my display. This is a $2,000 bike. There's my display. You can't even see it. Hold on. There goes my display. And this is their display. Huge display. Cool gesture. They bring a air pump for the tires. I have my own, but it's pretty cool. Just the fact that they bring this is a plus. Pretty cool. So as you can see, the reason why I said it's similar to the Super 73, as you can tell by the seat saddle and the design, it gives it that Super 73 look. I'm excited to put this together. They say it's meant for people my height. I ain't gonna lie, it looks small, but we can't say nothing until it's fully assembled and we have air in them tires. So let me do that now. Let's fully assemble this, and by the time you see the next scene, it'll be fully assembled with me probably taking like an hour to put this together. But let's get it done. Let's get it done. All right, bike fully assembled. See what's up with texting. Everything was smooth. Took me about an hour and a half to put it together. Main reason why I was having issues is, which shouldn't be a problem, 'cause I'm pretty sure I can find bolts. But this, right, let me go get the bolts, hold on. This is supposed to get bolted down with this screw. Unfortunately, it sent me the wrong size, so it won't screw down. But everything is intact. Oh, and they forgot to send me a kickstand. I responded to them about that as well. But for the most part, for the price, I'm not gonna lie. You see my ear horror? You see how high this sits up? This was one of my issues I had with the ear horror. And this is a $2,000 bike. I had to buy a stem extension because the stem was too short. I was leaning forward. This, you won't have that issue. If you're a taller rider, you won't have that issue. It sits up high, and if you want to go high, you could buy a stem extender. You have a lot of slack with the cables if you want to make it higher, but I don't think you would need to. Like I said, the only drawback, I wouldn't even call it a drawback, but the fact that they set the wrong bolts. But other than that, I sat on it. It felt good, sturdy. For the price, it's a very, very good bike. Love the rims. I always wanted these rims over spokes because spokes have a tendency of loosening up and falling off. Chrome, should we even call them chrome or aluminum rims? These, the only thing you have to worry about is them bending, but the quality in these, you won't worry about that because it's solid. Like, these are solid as rims. I'm actually charging the bike as we speak. These are 20x4 tires, all terrain. These are motorcycle tires. These are all terrain. So you can pretty much take this bike wherever. When I sat on it, it felt like I was sitting on a Super 73. And you could tell the style of the bike, that's what they were going for. They were going for that Super 73 look. Let me turn it on for you guys real quick. You have a key to turn on. Boom. Nice big display. Nice big headlight. Turn signals. This was huge. So, getting to the cockpit, we have Shimano gears. Twist throttle. Don't want to press that. You can turn off the headlight here. Turn it on. Easy. We have a horn that comes out the light. Very loud, very loud. We have rear brake. Here is where the value starts to boost itself up. On my $2,000 bike, I don't even have this feature. But you have the ability for turn signals. Insane on a budget bike, bro. Super cool, super cool. I wanted to take it out, but I can't because safety reasons. We have to make sure this is down and ready to ride before we even get out there. If I just go out there just with this seat the way it is, it's not even worth the risk. But for the most part, the frame is sturdy. You have a rear shock. Mine's $2,000 bike. Rear shock. $600 bike. Rear shock. Very comfortable ride. Double shocks in the front. Same style as my ear horror. It's literally the same style. Just one's $2,000, the other one's $600. This is a great bike, man. If you're looking to buy this type of bike, links down below with a 10% coupon. And yeah, I don't think you'll be disappointed getting this bike. Nice battery. I really like it because if you're a content creator, there's so many places you could put something like this. 360 camera, hook it up, stem out, boom, chilling. One of the main things I love about this bike, the BMX style handlebar. This is fire. I like this over mine. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, man, I'm stoked with this bike, man. Very stoked with this bike.
All right, y'all. It's been about a week now since I received the parts that I needed to finish the build on the bike. We have the seat down there. That ain't going nowhere. The kickstand came in. It's not the best kickstand, but you know what though? For the price of the bike, not too bad. Not too bad. So we finished charging it. I still haven't taken it out to roll. Be on the lookout for that video. And yeah, we're gonna take this puppy out now. Now we have a seat. We can see what this bike can do. So be on the lookout for that video. Like, comment, subscribe if you like these kind of videos. Let me know in the comments down below. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.